Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start right now. Run cold water and rub your hands together firmly. This removes surface seeds and juices. Once done, apply a degreasing soap or dish detergent and lather for about 20-30 seconds. This breaks up the oily capsaicin that causes the burn. Make sure to work between fingers and under nails. Those hide most residue. Do not use hot water yet, because heat drives the oil deeper and makes the pain worse. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry with a clean towel. Next, neutralize lingering capsaicin with fat. You can soak hands in full-fat milk or rub with plain yogurt. Fat binds capsaicin so it comes off your skin. Rub for 2-3 minutes, focusing on fingertips and nail beds, then rinse. If you prefer, rub a small amount of vegetable or olive oil over the area to dissolve the oil-based irritant, and follow immediately with dish soap to remove both oil and capsaicin. Once done, rinse and check for any remaining stinging. Repeat if needed. Finish by soothing skin. Apply a cool compress or aloe vera gel to reduce inflammation and discomfort, and let it rest. Make sure to avoid menthol or alcohol-based aftercare, because they can worsen burning. If you accidentally touched your eyes, remove contacts and flush with saline or water for at least 10-15 minutes. Get medical help if vision blurs. If burning persists beyond 30-60 minutes or blisters develop, consult a healthcare provider. Sometimes professional treatment is needed to fully resolve severe reactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.